Welcome to Business News SA. Today we take a look at a guide to government funding. First, the South African government offers a number of funding instruments for small businesses. Ranging from grants to incentives, each offers some form of financial support for entrepreneurs, including full or cost-sharing grants. These are usually not repayable. Grants that are less than 100% require you to fund the balance of finance required for the project at hand. Incentives, these are actually grants and that you do not have to repay the money. However, unlike grants, where the money is provided for the service or asset, incentives are paid after the event has occurred. Tax incentives means that the business may deduct a certain amount from the money it owes in tax. The government also offers equity funding, which means that the government funding agency buys a certain part of your business in return for percentage shareholding. The equity provides you with the finance to grow the business, and the investor receives a share of the profits and a lump sum when they exit. Various relief schemes were established to mitigate the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on businesses. Relief schemes such as the COVID-19 Temporary Employer/Employee Relief Scheme, TERS, were introduced to help SMEs to avoid retrenchments and ease the financial burden on businesses, as well as help workers who lost income during the lockdown, according to the SA government news agency. To apply for TERS, the employer must be registered with UIF. The Department of Trade and Industry, also known as the DTI, and its subsidiary agencies are involved in promoting economic development, Black economic empowerment, implementing commercial law, promoting and regulating international trade, and consumer protection. The DTI funding for small businesses is currently obtainable from the following four funds. SETA Technology Program. The SETA Technology Program, STP, is responsible for providing both financial and non-financial technology transfer, business incubation and quality support services for small enterprise. Agro Processing Support Scheme, APSS, launched in 2017. The Agro Processing Support Scheme, APSS, incentive scheme is our $1 billion cost-sharing grant fund designed to boost investments in new and existing agro-processing projects. Support Program for Industrial Innovation, SPII, designed to promote technology development in South Africa's industry, through the provision of financial assistance for the development of innovative products and/or processes. The Aquaculture Development and Enhancement Program, ADEP, a cost-sharing incentive program for projects in primary, secondary and ancillary aquaculture activities. Export Marketing and Investment Assistance Scheme, EMIA, aims to develop export markets for South African products and services and to recruit new foreign direct investment into the country. The Sector-Specific Assistance Scheme, SSAS, a reimbursable cost-sharing grant that will pay for 80% of the costs incurred by nonprofit, export councils, joint action groups and industry associations to provide support to companies to grow the export market for South African goods. Rand Tax Incentive. This incentive is available to businesses of all sizes and in all sectors of the economy, for research focused on science and technology as applied to any industry sector. This incentive program aims to fast-track the participation of Black industrialists in the South African economy. Currently, the key focus is on supporting businesses that can accelerate economic transformation and with high job creation potential, including blue/ocean economy, including vessel building and repair, oil and gas, clean technology and energy mineral beneficiation, aerospace, rail and automotive components, industrial infrastructure, information communication technologies, agro-processing clothing, textile/leather and footwear. The scheme offers a cost-sharing grant ranging from 30% to 50% to approved entities, to a maximum of $50 million. The total amount of the grant will depend on the level of Black ownership and management control, the economic benefit of the project, and the project value. Funds can be spent on any of the following items. Capital investment costs include feasibility studies towards a bankable business plan, to a maximum of 3% of projected investment project cost. Post-investment support, to a maximum of $500,000. Business development services, to a maximum of $2 million. Other manufacturing activities may be considered based on economic impact in terms of job creation, geographic spread and strengthening supply chains. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.